Today was finally the day when Apple unveiled their brand new iPhone 10s as well as the iPhone 10R and the new Apple Watch. I'm pretty sure many people expected them to unveil the brand new iPad with the bezels design. I completely understand why they would hold off the AirPower and the AirPods 2 for either an October or November keynote. Now let's talk about what they unveiled today. While as always Apple was very biased in their keynote, there were some really good things about it. I really like the Apple Watch. I think it looks really good. There's a new shiny gold color which comes in aluminum and stainless steel. It also has much thinner bezels. In overall volume, it's actually smaller than the Apple Watch Series 3 while having a bigger display. Other than that, they do have a new speaker, which is about 50% louder, and they also put the microphone in the opposite place where it is right now, so that there won't be any echoing while talking on the phone. All the other stuff is kind of irrelevant, so we're gonna go ahead and talk about the iPhone. There were 3 iPhones released: the iPhone XS, or XS Max, sorry. The XR, I think, yeah, the 10R. 3 new models. The XR is just, other than the colors, I think it's kind of a ripoff. R stands for ripoff. On the other hand, the iPhone XS, while being ridiculously pricey, so it does look really nice. We finally have a 1080p 60 frontal camera. Also, we do have a new gold color, which looks very good in my opinion, just like the Apple Watch. What else is worth mentioning would be the IP68 water resistance, unlike the IP67 that the iPhone XR and the iPhone 10 has of the previous generation. We do have a much more colorful display, but I'll have to take a look at it myself. But we do have a much more colorful and HDR display, and we have even better speakers than the iPhone 10. I thought the iPhone 10 already has magnificent speakers, but if we have even better, then that's going to be a great thing. Other than that, there isn't much left to comment about that's worth mentioning. One last thing I'd like to tell you is that I will be pre-ordering the iPhone XS Max and the Apple Watch Series 4, both in gold color, but I still haven't decided on the gigabytes. Probably 512, but maybe 256. Oh yeah, one more thing. So the iPhone XS starts at $1,000 at 64 gigabytes. The XS Max starts at $1,100, and it tops up at a whopping $1,500 if you go for the 512 gigabyte model, which is a new record for Apple, the most expensive iPhone. So that's all the stuff worth mentioning. I will be pre-ordering the iPhone and Apple Watch in gold colors, so yeah. I'll be waiting for the next keynote, which would be in October, I hope.